Toolkits love to brag about piece counts, but a 259-piece set can still skip the sizes you actually use while padding the rest with filler. Higher numbers don't mean better tools or a case that lasts. We'll sort out which home tool kit fits your tasks and budget so you don't waste money. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, we're kicking things off with the Amazon Basics 173-piece tool set. Is a big number kit just filler? Sometimes, yeah, but here the math actually works in your favor. For me, this is the kit you grab when you're setting up a first place and you don't want to buy 10 tools one at a time. You get 8 combination wrenches, a 3/8-inch ratchet, 22 hex keys, slip joint pliers, long nose pliers, the screwdrivers, the hammer, the stuff you actually reach for when you're hanging a shelf or putting together flat pack furniture. The tools are heat-treated chrome-plated alloy steel, so they hold up fine for light work and won't rust on you in a drawer. Where it earns its spot is plain value for money. Buying these pieces separately costs you more and takes longer. And here's what Marcus says. This was everything I needed for my first apartment. I put furniture together, hung pictures, and fixed little things around the house without buying anything extra. For the money, it's hard to beat. That tracks with what most buyers keep saying. As a first toolkit, it covers the everyday jobs without making you think. The blow-molded case is the other quiet win. Every tool has its own slot, so you see at a glance what's missing, and you can toss it in the car or stash it in a closet. Now, where it shows its price. This is light duty by design. The ratchet and wrenches feel lighter than premium gear, so if you're doing regular car work or wrenching on stuck bolts all day, you'll want something beefier down the line. The case latches also feel a bit flimsy, and tools can pop loose if you open it upside down. But that's the trade-off, not a deal breaker. For household repairs and the occasional project, this does the job and keeps your money in your pocket. The link is in the description. Moving to number 4, the DEKOPRO 126-piece set. What pushes this one up the list is simple. It throws a cordless drill into the mix. That's the real pitch here. The last kit was all hand tools. This one hands you an 8-volt cordless drill on top of the usual hammer, pliers, wrench, screwdrivers, and tape measure. So if furniture assembly is the main reason you're buying a kit, this saves you driving every screw by hand. Now let's talk about that drill, because the voltage is the part you need to understand. 8 volts is light duty. Top speed sits around 800 RPM, and the battery is 1.5 amp hours, charged over a Type-C cable. In plain terms, this drive screws into wood and plastic, handles flat pack furniture, and bores small pilot holes. What it won't do is muscle through hardwood or long lag bolts all day. Push it into dense material, and you'll feel the torque give out. But here's the thing. For the buyer this kit is aimed at, that ceiling rarely gets hit. Hanging blinds, building a desk, mounting a shelf into drywall, it does that without complaint. And at 1.5 pounds, you can run it one-handed without your wrist quitting on you. The built-in LED is a small touch that earns its keep when you're working inside a dark cabinet. The bits and sockets are where I'd set expectations. You get a big spread of driver bits, hex keys, and 1/4-inch sockets, which covers most household fasteners. On a budget set like this, the cheaper bits can wear if you lean on them hard. So, for stubborn screws, go slow and let the tool seat properly. That keeps you from rounding heads. So the trade-off is clear. You gain a powered driver and a full hand tool set in one case, but the drill is built for light work, not a job site. For a renter or a new homeowner who wants one box that does almost everything, that's a fair deal. The link is in the description. Number 3 on the list is the Craftsman 57-piece mechanics tool set. And this one earns its place for a different reason than the kits below it. It's the first pick here with a real brand pedigree behind it. Craftsman has been a known name in American garages for generations. That matters because the lifetime warranty isn't a throwaway line. The mechanics tools carry a full lifetime warranty, and the hand tools a limited one. So if a socket cracks years from now, you're covered. For value over the long haul, that's the part I'd weigh most. Now the ratchet is where the engineering actually shows up. 72 teeth means a 5-degree arc swing. In plain terms, you barely have to move the handle to turn a bolt. When you're working in a tight engine bay or behind a cabinet, that short swing saves you, and the head is about 25% thinner than their standard ratchet. So it slips into cramped spots where a chunky one won't fit. And if these comparisons are helping you sort through the noise, subscribing really supports the channel and helps us keep making them. Here's where you set expectations though. This is a 1/4-inch drive set built around sockets and that ratchet. It's not a broad household kit. You won't find a hammer, a tape measure, or a full screwdriver lineup in here. The most common note from buyers is exactly that. It's a fantastic starter or backup, but you'll pair it with a basic hand tool kit for full coverage. There's a review from Greg that frames it well. I keep this one in my trunk for quick fixes and bike work, and it handles almost everything I throw at it. Compact, well organized, and the ratchet feels solid. For the money, it's been hard to beat. That tracks with the pattern. The blow-molded case is light and keeps every socket in its slot, so it's an easy grab for a car, an apartment, or a garage shelf. So the trade-off is clear. You're getting genuine Craftsman build quality and a smart ratchet, but in a focused mechanics set, not an everything box. For someone who wants reliable sockets that won't strip or round bolts, this is a strong pick. The link is in the description. Number 2 on the list is the Prostormer 259-piece household toolkit. And yeah, that number is going to set off alarms. Big piece counts usually mean filler. So let me deal with that first, because here, the breakdown is fairer than it looks. A chunk of those pieces are screwdriver bits. Phillips, slotted, square, star, posy. But bits aren't junk filler when you actually use them. They cover almost every fastener you'll hit assembling furniture or from the house. The core hand tools underneath are the real story, and they hold up. What I'd point to first is the steel. Heat-treated chrome vanadium across the metal tools. That's the same grade you want for sockets and wrenches that won't round off or strip bolts when you put weight on them. Pair that with the 72-tooth ratchet and its 5-degree swing arc, and you've got something that turns in tight spots without backing the handle way out. In a cramped cabinet or behind a toilet tank, that short arc saves you. You get both 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive sockets in there too. That matters more than people think, because the bigger drive handles the higher torque jobs, while the small one gets into delicate work. The TPR grips are the kind of detail you stop noticing, which means they're doing their job. Less hand fatigue on a long afternoon of assembly. Now the trade-off. These are metric sockets only. If you're working on older American gear that runs on standard sizes, you'll have a gap to fill. For furniture, appliances, and most modern stuff, metric covers you fine. Just know what you're getting into before you order. The hard shell case is molded, so every tool has its slot, which keeps you honest about what's missing. One tip people learn the hard way. Open it logo side up, or the contents go everywhere. For a homeowner who wants one box that genuinely does it all, this is a strong buy. The link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Taking the top spot, the Craftsman 100 2-piece tool set. After everything below it, this is the one that ties it all together. You got a taste of the brand pedigree earlier in the list. This time it shows up in a full household box, not a focused mechanics set. The everyday lineup is all here. Ratchet and sockets in both SAE and metric, screwdrivers, hex keys, pliers, a claw hammer, tape measure, utility knife. The stuff you actually reach for, whether you're building furniture, hanging pictures, or tightening a battery terminal. The ratchet is where the engineering shows up. 72 teeth, so a 5-degree arc swing. You barely move the handle to turn a bolt. And the head sits about 25% thinner than their standard one, so it slips into tight spots a chunky ratchet won't reach. Behind a cabinet or in a cramped engine bay, that short swing saves you. Then there's the warranty, and this is what carries the long-term value here. The mechanics tools get a full lifetime warranty, the hand tools a limited one. Craftsman has backed that promise in American garages for generations, so if a socket cracks years down the road, you're covered. Having both SAE and metric saves you a real headache too. Older American gear runs standard sizes. Most modern stuff runs metric. This kit covers you on both sides, so there's no gap to fill later. The catch is simple. This is built for light and medium duty, not daily job site abuse. And a few buyers mention the case latches feel less solid than the tools themselves, so things can pop loose if you handle it rough. Open it logo side up and you're fine. For a new homeowner, a renter, or honestly anyone who wants one reliable box that won't strip bolts or quit on them, this is the pick I'd put my own money on. The link is in the description. You can now tell what holds up from what falls short. If you're setting up a first place on a tight budget, number 5 covers the basics. If furniture assembly is your main job and you want a cordless drill in the box, number 4. And if you want one reliable box that does it all without stripping bolts, number 1. Amazon prices go up and down. Check them in the links in the description.